Making money on Instagram can be incredibly rewarding if you know how to leverage the platform. First, consider sponsored posts. Brands are eager to pay influencers to showcase their products, so build a niche audience and connect with them through influencer marketplaces. Next, affiliate marketing is a great option. Promote products and earn a commission for every sale through your unique link. You can also sell your own products or services directly on Instagram by setting up an Instagram shop. Offering paid subscriptions allows you to create exclusive content for your followers, while selling digital products like ebooks or courses can also generate income. If you have expertise, becoming an Instagram consultant can be lucrative, helping others grow their presence. Don't forget about offering photography or videography services. Your skills can be monetized. Collaborating with other creators can expand your reach, and managing Instagram ads for businesses is another way to earn. Finally, utilize Instagram's built-in monetization tools to maximize your earnings. Engage consistently with your audience and always post high-quality content. Stay authentic and track your performance using analytics to refine your strategy.